What's going on, guys? Got a new video today. Gonna end up painting the front lip to my bumper. Um, the Rieger lip I got was black and I've been meaning to paint it white, but weather's been kind of shitty. It's either been snowing or really cold out. And today's the first day where, it rained this morning, but it's supposed to be a little bit nicer today, later on in the day. So gonna end up doing that. But actually got my fog lights in today, which I'm gonna start opening that in a minute. Also was at work and the Mac Tools guy came, got my left-handed drill bit set. Pretty stoked about that. Price wasn't too bad. It was like 84, 85 bucks, something like that. And I know I could have probably gotten it cheaper at like Harbor Freight or something like that, but it's been something I've been wanting for a little bit, especially since I have that piece stuck in the wing, or the gurney flap in the wing, so it's definitely going to help. I might get to that today if I have enough time, but I might end up doing that in another video. But yeah, it's all here, pretty stoked, and finally going to fix that wing. Alright, time to open this guy up. Normally I'm not a big fan of ordering cheap replacement parts on eBay unless it's something kind of minor like trim or something like that. But the OEM fog lenses for, I don't want to say BMWs, but for E30s are glass, where these ones are supposed to be like a plastic. So, was a little skeptical about that, only because they were like 10 bucks. Actually, they were 13 bucks, so, you kind of get what you pay for, and they were from China, so we'll see how that turns out. So right off the bat, they don't look too bad. Definitely plastic. So yeah, gonna try and end up putting these on today. One's broken, but the other one's, fine. But I'll end up replacing them both just because I don't want one glass and one plastic. So get to that, paint the lip, and shit should be good. Time to start sanding this bad boy and getting ready for painting in this shitty weather. Alright, so the goal here is really just to kind of like scuff this up a little bit, just so the paint will have something to stick to. Using this 180 grit should be enough just to scuff it a little bit, and then from there we'll start laying down some base coats and go from there. Alright, so now I'm going to start cleaning this, just getting the dust and stuff off, and then from there, pretty much start the paint. Alright, and these are my weapons of choice. Duplicolor, same thing, it's the Olympic White. It's a GM color, but it's honestly probably the closest thing that I've been able to find that's kind of close to Alpine White. Rattle can at least. And if you see, it's the same thing I did my side skirts with. Jesus Christ, she needs a bath. But yeah, that's... Oh man, so dirty. It's off but it's not terribly off. But I mean, for a lip that's going to be, for the most part, dragging the ground and everything, it should be alright. Alright, so this is actually pretty funny. This is the box that it came in. I completely forgot I still had it. This is what I'm going to use to paint it on. Might need another box over there. Oh shit, you guys haven't seen this. I have an M10 valve cover that I'm going to use as like a wall ornament. Honestly, I hit it with brake clean like 5 times and it's been kind of sitting out in the weather. I might end up just painting it like wrinkle black or do all white and then like the M stripe down the side of it and, you know, hang my keys off of it or something. I think that would be pretty cool. But yeah, let's get back to this guy. Figured we could start figuring out the fog light while we're here, waiting for the paint to dry. Alright, finally got this bad boy out. The bolt at the top right there, if you can see it up here, that one was hard to kind of reach with the minimal hand angle you have, I guess. But yeah, let's get this unattached and then replace the lens. Third coat, and I'm going to use this to protect from overspray. Alright, so for this gasket, just carefully peel away from it. It's recommended that you buy new ones, which I'll probably end up doing because I'll probably fuck this up terribly. But for now, I'm just trying to go slow and be careful with it. You can see it's already leaving some left on there, but this should be enough if I want to re-adhesive it to the new ones. It should be okay, but we'll see how that goes. In all honesty, I hate doing this part because you have to get something thin in there to break apart the glass from the, what's the word I'm looking for, the adhesive that it was glued down with. And I don't know if you can tell, but I'm like chipping glass shards everywhere. So you definitely want to be careful with that. I wish I could tell you guys how guilty I feel doing this. This is just miserable. I'm trying to make this up here a little bit. Yeah, just trying to separate this shit. Definitely sucks. The plan was to not break this one, but as you can see, that's kind of well, there's no going back, man. So we're just gonna peel this one off and put the plastics on, because fuck glass at this point. Finally have an excuse to use these guys. Normally I don't like wearing gloves when I'm at home, but when glass is involved, any little thing helps. So this is the progress we've made. It's so sad, but we're getting there. So that's how you do that. 15 hours later. Time to do the one that really matters. Alright, let's even test fit these to make sure everything I did wasn't a waste of time. Fuck yeah. Just gotta adhesive those on, some kind of glue, and damn, that looks really good. But yeah, we'll find a way to adhesive that on, and then everything's gonna be pretty solid. So it's not perfectly blended, but I mean, my side skirts were the same color, or I guess are. But through weathering and stuff like that, they got a little bit closer with, you know, obviously dirt and everything collecting. I mean, the car definitely still has to be washed, but all in all, it's not terrible. I mean, it looks better than the black in my opinion. Yeah, I thought that was the black coming back through, but that's just the rocks and stuff from the driveway, so that's good. Fog lamps in, it's pretty awesome. Couldn't really get them to sit flush, so I'm definitely going to look into that a little bit more. But they're clean as hell. Let's see if I can get a better angle maybe. And then did my harness inserts. Completely missed the inside. I actually ran out of paint, so I'm going to end up sanding them back down and then doing, you know, basically just doing them all over. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Started the wheels. Didn't come out terrible. Well, they did. I'm going to end up pulling that back off, and I'm probably just going to invest in getting them powder coated. The backs are still silver though. So I think that's pretty much it for the E30 today. I know we're supposed to have a couple nice days, so I'm going to probably be filming a couple more things. So I'm pretty excited for that, actually. I think that's pretty much it. Already went over the smileys, fog lamps, lip. Going to end up peeling the wheels off. That's embarrassing. Finally starting to get bright out a little bit. So I will definitely keep you guys updated on the next few steps I'm going to end up doing, and I'll see you guys next time. Fuck you.